This tangy sabji is a personal favorite for me and my family. The main ingredients are potatoes and tomatoes, hence it is tangy. It pairs well with khichdi, parathas or chapatis. I am so looking forward for this sabji. Let's pour oil into the mixing bowl and then add dried chili and cinnamon stick. Saute for 3 minutes, 120 degrees Celsius at spoon mode. Once it is done, we add grounded mustard, onions and a pinch of asafoetida. Saute for 4 minutes, 120 degrees Celsius at spoon mode. The onions are sauteed now. We shall add the potatoes, turmeric, salt and water. Cook for 8 minutes, Varoma spoon mode. Look at that! Let's add now the tomatoes, chili powder, coriander jeera powder and lastly sugar. Cook again for 4 minutes, 120 degrees Celsius, spoon mode. Wow, the color is so vibrant. This is due to the Kashmiri chili powder I used. As tangy as it is, I love it.